Here's our Airbnb room tour tayo. To your right is the first bathroom with hot and cold water. It's me, hi! Again, di uso ang bidet dito. To your left is the washer and dryer na ginamit namin everyday at may cleaning supplies pa. And here's the fridge and the pantry. Up next is the first bedroom. Wala nga lang windows or air conditioning pero carry lang kasi malamig naman. Meron ding malawak na cabinet space with a full-length mirror. And here's the kitchen. Talagang nagluluto kami everyday for breakfast para makatipid. Too bad wala silang rice cooker. Di rin ba yun uso dito? Di bale, meron naman silang microwave, oven, toaster, water heater, and a dishwasher. Ayan na rin yung dining table, good for 4. And here's the living room na may L-shaped couch, smart TV, and a red lounge chair. Meron din palang little office nook for digital nomads like myself and malakas din ang wifi. Heto naman yung primary bedroom, mas malawak and may access sa veranda. Malawak din yung closet space with a full-length mirror and a private toilet and bath na walang bidet. Maging creative na lang tayo. And lastly, heto naman ang view namin. Sobrang ganda. Perfect din itong location and malapit pa sa free trams. I'm so excited